What is mild sleep apnea? If you're wondering what mild sleep apnea is and how it affects your sleep, you're in the right place. Let's break it down to help you understand this condition better. Mild sleep apnea is the least severe form of obstructive sleep apnea, or OSA. To put it simply, it's when your sleep is interrupted, but not as frequently as in more severe cases. According to the American Academy of Sleep Medicine, mild sleep apnea is defined by 5 to 15 breathing interruptions per hour while you're asleep. These interruptions are called apneas, which literally mean a stop in breathing. So, how do you know if you have mild sleep apnea? One common symptom is loud snoring. While snoring itself isn't always a cause for concern, if it's consistent and loud enough to disturb others, it could be a sign. Another key symptom is feeling excessively sleepy during the day. Even if you get a full night's sleep, you might still feel tired, lack energy, or feel drowsy. High blood pressure or other medical conditions like diabetes can also be indicators. If you've recently developed high blood pressure or been diagnosed with diabetes, it's a good idea to talk to your doctor about the possibility of sleep apnea. Restless sleep is another sign. If you find yourself tossing and turning or waking up frequently during the night, it could be related to mild sleep apnea. Your bed partner might notice that your snoring is punctuated by pauses in breathing, which are actually apnea episodes. Feeling tired during activities that require little attention, like watching TV or reading, is also a common symptom. This is because your sleep is being disrupted constantly throughout the night, even if you don't fully wake up. Mild sleep apnea can still cause significant disruptions to your sleep quality. It's not just about the number of interruptions, it's about how these interruptions affect your overall health and daily life. For instance, poor sleep quality can make you more irritable, less productive, and more prone to catching colds. If you suspect you have mild sleep apnea, it's important to talk to your doctor. They might recommend a sleep study, which can be done either in a lab or at home to confirm the diagnosis. In terms of treatment, mild sleep apnea often involves simpler solutions compared to more severe cases. Oral appliances are commonly recommended, and lifestyle changes such as losing weight or sleeping on your side can also help. Remember, even though it's called mild, sleep apnea is still a condition that needs attention to prevent it from becoming more serious over time. By understanding the symptoms and taking the right steps, you can improve your sleep quality and overall health.